Hey, Ming Tsai here. Welcome to an Instant with Chef Ming Tsai. I'm going to show you a great machine. It's called the Instant Pot Pro Plus. It is like the most advanced technological pressure cooker made. It can do everything, pressure cooking and sautéing and searing, all that. It can also sous vide. What is sous vide? Sous vide is actually cooking stuff in a plastic bag. Invented at Cornell, mastered in France. Now everyone in the country, in the world uses sous vide cuisine. It's a way to get fantastic richness and lusciousness out of something like salmon. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and I got a couple cool tricks. So it's gonna be an olive poached salmon with fennel, garlic, and Thai basil. And we're actually also gonna do a parsnip pasta, all right? So here's some beautiful fennel. Cut it in half. You can see there's a core here. You wanna decore it. So here, we're just gonna do 1/4-inch slices, right? So get a resealable bag, and you're just gonna put it in the bag. This you're doing before your guests get there, right? This is not a very sexy way to cook using plastic bags, but I guarantee you, it's a very successful way to cook. All right, Thai basil, one of my favorite. I take Thai basil and I spank it. What does that do? That actually releases the oil from the basil, right? I learned that from bartenders. They like to spank the basil first before they then muddle it in with the sugar. Super easy, guys. Into the bag. I have my 4 pieces of salmon, and I'm gonna just season it. A little salt, a little black pepper. Season both sides. Into the bag, like this. All right, last but not least, we're gonna add some garlic. Give them a good smash, like that. You don't need to cut them. You just want this garlic to mix in with the extra virgin olive oil. A lot of good stuff in here, guys. What we're gonna do now, extra virgin, and you're gonna pour about a cup in. You want it to make sure it coats the salmon, see, and mixes it all around. Now, there's something called a cryovac machine, which is a machine that you put and you can get all the air out of this bag. Here's another way. Tap water. So then you seal this bag all the way, but I'm gonna leave a little hole here, okay? And watch this. I put it in, this is just tap water. And I push this in, you can hear the air come out, and you keep pushing it till you get this very last corner, then you seal it. Look at this, guys. Look how tight that is. Completely sealed like it was cryovac. You don't need to buy a cryovac machine, all right? This has been set for 130 degrees sous vide. So I'm just gonna lay it in there, 20, 25 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do is take parsnip. This has been peeled. I'm gonna make parsnip pasta. So I'm just using a peeler, and then when you're done, you store them in water like we have here, and you can have a whole bunch of pasta made from parsnip. To this, we grab another bag. Just strain like this. A little bit of moisture is fine. We're going to add a little salt and pepper, and just a little bit of minced garlic and ginger. And then last but not least, some chives, or just a little bit of onion flavor, and then just some really nice color. It's extra virgin olive oil. About a 1/4 cup is plenty. Same thing. Seal it almost all the way. You hear that air come out. And then you just make sure that oil, salt, pepper, garlic, ginger get everywhere into the same 130-degree water. 20 minutes of perfectly cooked salmon. After 25 minutes, guys, check out what we got. Fully cooked. You can see how luscious that's gonna be with the fennel. We're gonna do one other thing. Because this machine is so crazy cool, we're gonna use it to sauté the pasta. So you just cancel it. I go sauté on high, and I start. All right? So I'm gonna just wipe it out. This will get pretty hot in about 4 or 5 minutes. And when this gets screeching hot, I'm gonna take this and sauté it, and we're gonna plate it up. I'm gonna take my parsnips. Listen to that. Just to give it a little quick sear. This is already al dente because we've been poaching this, right, with the salmon. And we're good to go, guys. We can plate up on a bed of red watercress. Look how delicate this salmon is, guys, right? Be careful here. Make sure you get it out. You don't want to break the salmon up. It's gonna be the luscious way you ever eat salmon. This looks good, and you can cook this too. Remember, there's the Instant Brands Connect app, which wirelessly connects this recipe and thousands of other recipes to your phone. Temperature, time, and it even releases the pressure. Now that's easy cooking. Let's see how we did here. It's so ridiculously simple and so luscious. Go make this olive poached salmon and parsnip pasta. Good luck, and as always, peace and good eating.